So let's talk about Indian diet, and it is a topic which has been criticized since a long time, even by Western people as well as people from India. अब इनको लिबरल या वोक तो नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, बट
जनता को आप मूर्ख समझना बंद कर दीजिए।
दे हैव बीन क्रिएटिंग दिस पिक्चर कि इंडियन डाइट से आप मसल नहीं बिल्ड कर सकते और लूज फैट अगर आपका एम है तो आप वो भी नहीं कर सकते। बट हियर्स द बमर, स्पॉइलर अलर्ट, you can construct a decent physique or you can lose weight by consuming your typical Indian food. What? Yes, it is. And this too consists your typical rice, your dal, or even chokha, or anything that you do consume and you can still reach your goal. So let's begin. सो उन क्रिटिसिज्म को पकड़ते हैं एंड जानने की कोशिश करते हैं वाई इज द रीज़न कि वो मिथ अराइज हुए एंड व्हाट्स द बेसिक साइंस सो दैट वी कैन डिबंक इट एंड बेसिकली दैट्स व्हाट माय गोल इज, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव बीन बिल्डिंग दिस ह्यूज आर्म्स। वेल नो, आई हैव बीन बिल्डिंग दिस ह्यूज आर्म्स सो दैट आई कैन ओपन अप द अचार का डिब्बा माय मॉम गिव्स।
मस्त जोक मारा रे, ये हंस रे हलकट हंस।
Anyways, I don't have a S on my chest, but the only thing I want is to create fitness a better place. So if you're liking my content, then please do like, share, subscribe, and जो भी drill है, you know people, so please do it. So पहले criticism को पकड़ते हैं, which is दाल में प्रोटीन नहीं होता या दाल में अमीनो एसिड की कमी होती है, and so on so forth. You get the point. So here's the thing. To complete a protein chain, you need 9 amino acids, and दाल में सिर्फ एक missing होता है, which is methionine. And guess where methionine is present? Yeah, you guessed it right. It's present in rice. So हमारे ancestors बहुत smart थे because they have been using this amazing combination since so long. And to anyone who says दाल में protein नहीं होता है, well, they are right to a certain degree. But it is, as long as you are combining it with rice, you are good to go. आपको protein chain मिल रही है. However, वो प्रोटीन की क्वांटिटी उतनी नहीं है, लेकिन आप उस एमिनो अवेलेबिलिटी को बढ़ा सकते हैं अगर आप दाल चावल में थोड़ी सी दही ऐड कर दी, थोड़े से पनीर ऐड कर दी या सोया चंक की सब्जी ऐड कर दी, एंड देन यू आर डेफिनेटली गुड टू गो। लेट्स गेट टू द सेकंड क्रिटिसिज्म व्हिच वी फेस। आजकल की जो यूथ है वो बहुत जल्दी इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं, and I have been victim of this as well. But here's the thing, people watch motivational video of people lifting and they see top class bodybuilders are having boiled chicken rice or having boiled food, and they develop this visualization ki I should also consume the same thing if I want to look as they do. But here's the bummer, you cannot definitely look like them unless until you are on roids, and even then the possibility is quite low. Not trying to demotivate you, but here's the truth, as long as you are having realistic goal, it would be better. As long as you accept the fact that the journey of fitness requires patience, then you are good to go. Anyways, not deviating from the topic much, so they develop this intuition कि मेरे को भी boiled food खाना होगा to have that great physique. But give me one single reason, one single scientific reason.
प्रमाण दो मुझे आज।
Why you shouldn't add masala or like enjoy the food you are having? Like, why not? Like, people have this mindset, I eat for purpose, not pleasure. But okay, you can make a trade-off here. You can having equal amount of pleasure as well as purpose. Well, here's the thing. People have been kind of skeptical towards using masala in their diet food. But here's the thing. Any kind of masala that we use, right away from salt, to haldi, to garam masala, all have their definitely some great advantage, as you can see in the screen. And trust me, having these kind of masalas and ingredients would boost your journey rather than take you away from your goals. So feel free to include in them. And also it's high time to realize and embrace what beauty India carries. अभी हम बहुत पहले हल्दी हम लोग उतना नहीं इम्प्रेस कर रहे थे और यूएस वालों ने पेटेंट कर दिया, अभी आई गेस चेंज हुआ होगा. But as long as you are not embracing these things, the beauty of India would be stolen away by different countries. So get alert, embrace what you have.
भाइयों, शेर बनो, जवाब दो, ना शेर बन सको तो शेयर करो, दबा के शेयर करो.
And enjoy what you have, and feel free to include this masala while making your food. Your diet food doesn't need to look boring. It can look delicious, and at the same time it can help you reach your goal. So feel free to include it. One thing which I do in my workout, and it can definitely help you, like people have this skeptical wala view regarding food like chawal or ganne ka ras or gud, but these foods can be definitely included in your diet plan if they are included at the right time. For example, गुड़ क्या है? It's nothing but sugar, right? In fact, in a good way or processed sugar आप इसको नहीं कहोगे. So you can definitely consume good in your intra workout. Yes, I said it right. Try this for yourself in an intra workout or post workout. And again, good can be included in post workout as well. And same thing goes for the rice. Again, the timing of the meal doesn't matter. The kind of food you are having doesn't matter. As long as you are in a caloric deficit, you won't get fat. So you feel free to have your rice. The शर्तें क्या है कि वो caloric deficit आप follow कर रहे हो, and then you are definitely good to go. If you like this content, please do like, share, subscribe. 2 बार मैंने बोल दिया है.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Yeah, so please do it and make sure you are safe. Enjoy the rich culture that we have, and yes, get soul, get ripped. Mahadev.